guys, welcome back to breezyspuffs. Today I'm going to be doing a review of K. Marie Hair Company's Heal and Repair Bundle, and that includes their Flake Away Serum, their Nourishing Conditioner, their Therapy Serum, their Soothe Me Butter, and their Flake Away Bar. And this bundle also comes with a little comb. Now, this package is specifically designed to fight yeast, lift flakes, cleanse buildup, add moisture, soothe itch, heal and protect, and promote hair growth. Now, I've pretty much had dandruff and itchy scalp for my whole life, so I was really excited to try this. So I'm starting off with the Flake Away Serum. So this serum is supposed to be used to help remove like big flakes or buildup. I don't really have big flakes. I really just have little small like specks of dandruff. So I was really just using this almost as a refresher or a pre-poo. And I'm kind of using the comb to exfoliate my scalp and help like itch it because it was really itchy and it felt really nice and refreshing. The peppermint is definitely a really nice touch. And also, as you can see, I had like a protective style in my hair and I decided to wash my hair in this protective style because the directions said to like separate the hair into small parts when you do this, so I thought it'd be a lot easier to do it this way instead of taking the protective style out and having to like part my hair and do this throughout my entire head. So now I'm going ahead and I'm rinsing all of that out. So obviously, because this product is mainly just water and peppermint, my hair didn't feel too much different, but my scalp felt really refreshed even before going in and cleansing it. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Flake Away Bar and I'm leaving it in the bag that it came in because the directions said that it helps with exfoliation, which it definitely did. And also this bar has amazing lather. Like as you can see, it lathers right up. Because of the really great lather, it was just really easy to make sure that my entire scalp was getting product and getting cleansed. So I'm just applying that all over my head in the little parts, making sure that I'm cleaning my scalp. The directions also said that you probably might have to go in with another shampoo to like actually cleanse your hair. So this bar is specifically for your scalp. It's not really for your hair. Obviously it is going to get on your hair and it can be very stripping. I actually did have to go in. I didn't go in with another shampoo. I went in with a co-wash, just something that is a bit more moisturizing because like I said, this can be really stripping, but like I said, it's advertised to be cleansing your scalp and not for your hair. I saw the aloe vera and I was thinking maybe it could be a little bit more moisturizing, but I guess because of the goat milk soap is actually the thing that's potentially stripping the hair. But yeah, overall my scalp felt really cleansed after using this shampoo, as you guys will see soon after I'm done rinsing it all out. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Nourishing Conditioner. This conditioner is very lightweight, like very lightweight. As soon as I put it on my hair, it kind of like turned into water. So it's not like a thick conditioner. You will probably have to go in afterwards with either a deep conditioner or another rinse out conditioner. Especially if you have really thick, like kinky hair like mine, you probably just need a little bit of extra TLC after using this conditioner. This conditioner, however, did make my scalp feel really moisturized and not dry, and it's not a surprise considering the ingredients are really great. But as for my hair could have like used like a deep conditioner, but my scalp felt amazing. So as y'all can see, my scalp is clean. It's not red or inflamed at all. It's literally just perfect, exactly how I want my scalp to be. So now I'm going in with the Therapy Serum. This serum is very lightweight and like a watery consistency, which makes it really easy to get to your scalp. It definitely felt like it was conditioning and moisturizing my scalp. Like it felt really, really nice. And also the pine tar in the ingredients basically makes your scalp smell like a Christmas tree. So if you like the smell of Christmas trees, you'll definitely like the smell of this serum. I also love that aloe vera is the second ingredient in this product. I know a lot of people love using aloe vera on their scalp. and it's just a great mixture of ingredients. So I love how lightweight this product is. I cannot tell you guys how much I hate using a scalp product that is heavy and it leaves like a buildup, because then it's like counterintuitive. But this product literally just melts into your scalp and into your hair. You don't have to worry about anything like that, so I love it. So now I'm just making sure to massage the therapy serum all throughout my scalp, making sure that I'm getting it everywhere, because even though my hair is in twists, it's not in the smallest twists in the world. So I'm just making sure to get it on my scalp even where those twists are. And last but not least, I'll be using the Soothe Me butter. I really liked how easy it was to apply this butter to my scalp. Again, it's not super thick, even though it is a butter. It's really lightweight. Once you actually rub it onto your fingers, it pretty much turns into an oil, and I'm basically just putting that all over my scalp. Also keep in mind that this product does contain coconut oil. I know there are some people out there that are sensitive to coconut oil on their scalp, so you want to keep that in mind before purchasing this product. But for those of you who are not sensitive to coconut oil, such as myself, this product is, like I said, it's lightweight, and it's a good replacement for like grease or like people that use sulfur 8, which I do also use. This is a nice replacement, and it's all natural ingredients, so I really love that. And I even use this throughout the week, even after this wash day, just to keep my scalp in check. So overall, I give these products an A for scalp health. There's also a variety of other products on their website specifically for people with other scalp issues such as eczema or psoriasis, and it's perfect for people who have natural hair because these products are not similar to like medicated shampoos where it's just going to completely dry out your hair. There are also moisturizing properties in some of these products, which helps to restore your hair as well as your scalp. So definitely check them out. I'll leave the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video, and follow me on Instagram.